Welcome to the Day 3 module for the online writing workshop. So Day 3, this is about present and past tense usage. I'm assuming you already know how to form present and past tense. Thesis statements and topic sentences. Alright, so first thing is about verb tense. So this observation, we're going to look at one of our articles from Fortune magazine, how Silicon Valley is bracing the embedding craze. So I have it linked here. Here it is. And you're just going to copy this entire text into your own document, and then you're going to highlight it according to this key here. Present tense, past tense, and the present perfect tense. And then this purple for everything else. Basically, there are 8 tenses, not even including future tense, but these 3 are the ones that get most of the use, and you're going to get most benefit out of learning about these here. So here's what I want you to do. I've given an example right here. I've done the first 2 paragraphs for you. So you can just copy this and paste it into your document, or just copy my answers, and then you need to do this for all the finite verbs in the rest of the document. And again, finite verbs. I don't want you to highlight, things like, for example, here, tracking or to know or watching. They're not finite verbs. One's a gerund, one's an infinitive, and one is a present participle. If you don't know what those things mean, then you need to do a little bit of, review on verb forms. And I think there's a module in this course on that. Okay, and then after you've done that, remember step 3. Tell me, what tense is used the most frequently? What tense is used the second most frequently? And choose one place where the author shifts from one tense to another and explain why you think she did so. All right, and so after that, then there's a quiz on present and past tense usage. I've taken it from a textbook, but I've really put a lot of work into making several answers possible, because a lot of these questions have more than one answer, and so I've put all the reasonable answers in there, I think. Then an observation about thesis statements and topic sentences. So for here, take another look at the Silicon Valley embedding craze. You're going to paste again into a whole new document, and you're going to put the topic sentences for each paragraph in boldface. The one sentence for each paragraph that, in your opinion, expresses the main idea. And then, among your topic sentences, find the one sentence that expresses the main idea of the entire article. Highlight that green. That's going to be the thesis statement. And then submit your document here. After you've done that, you will be able to look at the answers. So I'm not going to show these here, but here's a document with my answers. And then here's I think about a 3-minute video explaining these answers if you care to watch that. Then we're going to go to the next level, from topic sentences to sections of an article. All right. So from here, once again, you're going to copy and paste the answers text of the Silicon Valley embedding document into your new document. And now you're going to divide those paragraphs into sections. So there are 5 paragraphs, and I want you to group these paragraphs into sets of paragraphs that seem to do the same thing. All right. So assume that there's more than one section, less than 5 sections, and so here are the possible ways that you could group your paragraphs. So you figure out which way is the best, and highlight each group in a different color. And make it a light color so I can read through the coloring. And then finally submit your document here. And this should be a really, really easy task if you've done this thesis statements and topic sentences task. In fact, I almost wish I had taken these answers and put them later here, but you know what? I'm just gonna leave it what I did. All right. So yeah, once you've done that, then you can see the answers. But again, it's so easy, you probably don't even need to look at this here. And then finally, putting all this together into a summary. It's your writing for day 3. Write your first full summary. And so there are a few guidelines I want you to follow. Begin with a 1-sentence summary that does these 3 things. And then continue with 3 to 4 more sentences. Use at least 2 summary reminder phrases to remind the reader that this is a summary, not your own research or opinion. Make sure that you're summarizing each main idea And to do this, make sure that at least one sentence covers each of the main section that we divided the article into in this from topic sentences to sections. So once you've done that, then this summary almost writes itself. And then, of course, use your own words to give the information. So with all that, you will have written your first full summary for this class, and that will bring us to the end of the Day 3 module. So good luck.